Alright guys, so here's my 2014 fireworks stash completed. Basically on part 2. But if you guys haven't seen my first one, it is on my channel, so go check that out. But first, we have Evil Clown, 200 gram, 16-shot cake. We have a Bling, 16-shot, 200 gram. Number 100. Both, oh, that's cutting edge, both those, and it's world class. Number 100, maximum load. We have some canister shells, Sir Lancelot. There's 6 of them in here by World Class. Artillery shells, yeah, they're pretty nice. Kill it. I can't pronounce that, but it's a cake/fountain. Desert at Night. Here, that's a really good one. Yeah, so. Garden Spring. Say cake/fountain. Beehive. Cake/fountain. Irish Delight. Cake/fountain. And we have festival balls. 12, I believe, in each. Here's what they do. Premium artillery shells. Guys, no, don't. Premium artillery shells. I think there's only 6. Yeah, that's what they do. Rockets by Boomer. Roman candles, 5 ball. Roman candle, 8 balls. And a gross of Whistling Moon Travelers. And a box of Whistling Moon Travelers. And that's just what came in my assortment I got. Then I have all that in the box over there. So, thank you guys for watching. Remember, rate, comment, and subscribe. And see ya.